Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix that Instagram story effects are not showing in your Instagram. So let me guide how to fix this problem. So you can see that there is no effect option in my Instagram story. So I will show you the 4 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, you have to just open your Play Store or App Store and then search here for your Instagram and check that if it is updated or not. If not, then you have to just make sure that you have updated your Instagram app. After updating your Instagram app, your problem may be fixed. And if your problem not fixed, then you have to just move to the next method. You have to just tap and hold on your Instagram app and then click on the application info or the app details. Here you have to just click on the storage and the cache and make sure that you have to just clear your cache first and then click on the clear storage. But before moving to this step, make sure that your all app data will be removed permanently. So do it on your own risk. So after doing so, you will be logged out from your Instagram account. You have to just again open your Instagram and then again log into your account. And after logging back to your account, your problem will be fixed and you will get the effect option on your story. Like I just checked that if my problem is solved or not. And you can see that my problem is not fixed. But let me check how it is possible. I just open my reel and then click on the effect option here, and you can see that an unknown network error has been occurred. So basically this is due to the network connection. Make sure that your network connection is stable or try to change the router of your internet connection or wait for the stable internet connection. Doing so, you will get this option on your Instagram. Just move to the next method, which is the most effective method. You have to just click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and then click on the 3 lines at the top right corner and then click on the settings. Here you have to just click on the help and then you have to just click on the report a problem and again click on the report a problem, and after this you have to just briefly explain your problem. Like, I have not found the effect option on my Instagram story, so please help me and make it available on my account. You can also take a screenshot of your story and attach it to your description. After doing so, you have to just click on the submit. Click on turn on check. And within 24 to 48 hours, your problem may be fixed and you will get this option on your Instagram story. And moving to the last solution, you have to just try to uninstall your Instagram app and then again install it. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Otherwise, you have to just update your device or system. It may be the final solution of your problem. I hope this video will be quite helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.